Today, you wake up with energy. You feel something new inside you. You are more confident. You sit down, you smile, you begin again. You say, I can speak English. You say it again, I can speak English. Your voice is stronger now. Your mind is clearer. You remember many words. You use them easily. Now you try longer sentences. I wake up early every day. I drink water and eat food. I study English in the morning. Good. You are improving. You read a short text. You understand many words. Some words are still new. That is okay. You guess the meaning. You continue reading. You do not stop for every word. This is smart learning. Now you listen again. This time you understand more. You hear, what are you doing? I am reading. You repeat, I am reading. Now you change the sentence. I am speaking. I am learning. I am trying. You are playing with English. This is good practice. Now you speak about your day. Today, I wake up early. I study English. I go outside. I see many people. You speak slowly, but you do not stop. You continue. I feel happy. I learn new words. I try every day. Very good. Now you ask more questions. What do I need? Where do I go? Why do I learn English? You answer, I need practice. I go step by step. I learn English for my future. Your answers are simple, but they are strong. Now you talk to someone, maybe a friend, maybe online. You say, hello, how are you? You ask, what is your name? You listen to the answer. You understand more than before. You reply, nice to meet you. This is real communication. You are using English in life. Now you read again, but this time faster. Your eyes move quickly. Your brain understands quickly. This is progress. Now you write again. Today is a good day. I feel strong. I learn English every day. You write more lines. I make mistakes, but I learn. I speak and I improve. You read your writing aloud. Your voice is smooth. Now you listen to yourself. You correct small errors. This is how you grow. Now you learn new expressions. Good job. Well done. Keep going. You use them. You say to yourself, good job. You say, keep going. You encourage yourself. This is important. Now you relax. You watch something simple in English. You enjoy it. You understand parts of it. You feel happy again. At night, you think about your journey. Before, English was difficult. Now, it is easier. Before, you were afraid. Now, you are brave. This is your change. You are proud of yourself. You say, I am learning. You say, I am growing. Tomorrow, you will continue, because this journey never stops. Step by step, day by day, you become better. And one day, you will speak English with confidence, with joy, and with freedom. Keep going. Yes, I'm ready. You open your notebook again. You write new words: morning, afternoon, evening, night. You write sentences. The morning is bright. The afternoon is hot. The evening is cool. The night is dark. You read them aloud. You repeat them slowly. You repeat them faster. This is training. You add more words: happy, sad, big, small. You write sentences. I am happy today. I feel sad sometimes. My bag is big. My phone is small. You smile. You understand. Now you practice questions again. Is this my book? Yes, it is. Is that your pen? No, it is not. Where is the table? The table is here. Who is at the door? My friend is at the door. You practice answers. You practice short forms. Yes, no, here, there. This is simple. This is useful. Now you listen to a short dialogue. Hello? Hello. How are you? I am fine. Where are you? I am at home. Goodbye. Goodbye. You repeat the dialogue. You act the dialogue. You enjoy the dialogue. This is communication. Now you write about your day again. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I learn English. I play with friends. I eat dinner. I sleep at night. You read your writing. You feel proud. You add more details. I eat rice for breakfast. I drink tea in the morning. I walk to school with my friend. I study English in the classroom. I play football in the afternoon. I eat chicken for dinner. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Now your sentences are longer. Now your English is stronger. You continue. You do not stop. You practice every day. You grow every day. This is your journey. This is your success. Today is a new morning. You open your eyes. You feel ready again. You say, I am learning English. You say, I will continue. Your journey is not finished. Your journey is alive. You sit on your chair. You take a notebook. You write the date. You write, today is Thursday. You write, I will learn today. Good. You are starting with focus. Now you read old words. You read book, pen, table. You read sun, moon, day, night. You remember them. You smile. You feel strong. Now you add new words: window, door, floor, ceiling. You write sentences. The window is open. The door is closed. The floor is clean. The ceiling is high. You read them aloud. You repeat them slowly. You repeat them faster. This is practice. Now you stand up. You walk to the window. You look outside. You see the street. You see the sky. You see people walking. You say the words in English: street, sky, people. You make sentences. The street is long. The sky is blue. The people are busy. You are learning from life. Now you listen. You hear sounds. You hear cars. You hear voices. You say, I hear cars. You say, I hear voices. You connect English with the world. This is smart reading. This is smart learning. Now you practice speaking again. You look at yourself in the mirror. You say, my name is Anna. You say, I live in Dakar. You say, I like English. You smile. You feel proud. Your voice is clear. Your words are simple. Your sentences are strong. Now you try questions. What is your name? Where do you live? Do you like English? You answer yourself. My name is Anna. I live in Dakar. Yes, I like English. You are practicing conversation. You are building confidence. Now you write more words. Chair, bench, cup, plate. You write sentences. The chair is wooden. The bench is long. The cup is small. The plate is white. You read them aloud. You repeat them again. This is how you grow. Now you listen to a short dialogue. Hello. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Where are you? I am at school. Goodbye. Goodbye. You repeat the dialogue. You act the dialogue. You enjoy the dialogue. This is communication. Now you go outside. You walk slowly. You see a shop. You see a market. You see a bus. You say the words in English. Shop, market, bus. You make sentences. I go to the shop. The market is busy. The bus is full. You are learning from life again. Now you meet a friend. You try to speak English. You say, hello, my friend. You ask, how are you today? Your friend smiles. Your friend answers. You listen. You understand a little. You feel happy. This is progress. Now you go back home. You sit again. You relax. You listen to English audio. You hear new words. You repeat them slowly. You say, good morning. You say, good night. You say, see you soon. You practice greetings. You practice daily expressions. This is useful. This is important. Now you write about your day. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I study English. I go outside. I see many people. I come back home. I sleep at night. You read your writing aloud. You listen to your voice. You feel proud again. Now you add more details. I eat bread for breakfast. I drink milk in the morning. I walk to the shop with my friend. I buy fruit at the market. I take the bus to school. I study English in the classroom. I play football in the afternoon. I eat rice for dinner. I sleep at 10 o'clock. Your sentences are longer now. Your English is stronger now. You continue. You do not stop. You practice every day. You grow every day. This is your journey. This is your success. Now, you learn new expressions. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am ready. You use them in sentences. I am happy today. I am tired at night. I am hungry in the afternoon. I am ready to learn. You repeat them many times. You remember them. You use them. This is progress. Now you listen again. You hear, "What are you doing?" You answer, "I am reading." You change the sentence. You say, "I am writing." You say, "I am speaking." You say, "I am learning." You are playing with English. You are building confidence. Now, you ask more questions. What do I need? Where do I go? Why do I learn English? You answer, I need practice. I go step by step. I learn English for my future. Your answers are simple, but they are strong. Now, relax. You watch a simple video in English. You listen carefully. You repeat short sentences. Pause. Listen. Repeat. Again and again. Your ears are stronger now. Your brain is faster now. At night, you think about your day. You remember the words. You remember the sentences. You remember the sounds. You feel happy. You feel proud. You say, "Today I learned." You say, "Tomorrow I will learn more." You close your eyes. You rest your body. You sleep with peace. But your journey continues, day after day, step after step. You are changing. You are growing. You are becoming better. One day, you will speak clearly. One day, you will understand easily. That day will come. That day will be yours. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep believing. Your English journey is alive. Your English journey is strong.